morning. Magde-demonstrate tayo ng punching. Basic punching. Okay guys. First basic punching guys is jab. Okay, fighting position. Guys. Ang paa guys, naka-heel. Yan. Okay. Jab. Kaliwa muna. Kaliwang position natin. Okay, ready? Dito ang kamay na isa. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist na konti, 9, 10. Okay? Reverse. Reverse jab. Kanan. Kanan natin. Okay? Naka-heel. Position. Yan. Fighting position. Boxing style. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, yan ang jab.